Hey guys, Mike Internet Pro. Thanks so much. I want to show you how to make, $1,000, $10,000, $20,000 a day from your mobile phone. Okay, all depends on how much traffic you got coming into your business, guys, and how much money you'll make. This is how it will look from your mobile phone. XS Elite actually is very responsive, and this will show you exactly how it's going to look when you log into your back office. You get another member, which I've gotten another team member. So that means they've joined me in the Exodus Elite system via the easy automatic system, one of the easiest systems, in my opinion, on the planet right now. I think it's going to be really making some waves here soon. So this is basically how it's going to look when you log in from your phone or your tablet. And so I just want to show you that, but I also want to talk about this too. Let me open this up. Which this is how it's going to look in your back office here. When someone has not paid and when someone has paid. Okay. Now I do want to make this clear. As you can see, this is elite purchase. When you purchase the elite level, that's the $1,000 system. You automatically get the advanced purchase. Okay, so basically you'll have both of these systems. You can get paid. Okay, so once you join up for $1,000, you can get paid all the $100 payments you want, and you can also get paid all the $1,000 payments. Okay, when you join at the lower level, the advanced level, the $100 level, you cannot get the $1,000 payments, but you can get all the $100 payments that come into your system. So I hope that makes a lot of sense. That way, you don't have to pay for both of the systems. Okay, you don't have to pay $1,000 and pay $100 or $100 and then pay $1,000. Yes, because you started lower. So if you start off with the 100 a day, you will have to get some more money up to get to the $1,000 level and pay for that one as well, because you're starting at the lower level. So that's why I recommend coming in at the $1,000 level. That way you get both levels, everything's paid for, you're good to go. Does that make sense? So I hope it does. Hope that clears up any misunderstanding or bad communication. And go ahead. The link is below. Get started today with my Internet Pro. This is going to be a real big system. You want to get in early while you can. All right. It's my Internet Pro. The link's below. I am out. Talk to you later. Next video. Bye.